Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, dear friends. The channel, Delicious Food with Khadija, is on the air. Today I want to offer you a recipe that is quickly memorized and is called, all three glasses. We will cook for you very thin and very tasty pancakes. So, let's get to cooking. I wish everyone good luck in the kitchen. We start with half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar without top. Now the rest of the ingredients, 3 cups of each ingredient. My basic measuring cup has a volume of 300 milliliters. I add the extra virgin wheat flour, having sifted it beforehand. To it we add 3 eggs with whites and yolks. Add a glass of milk of 300 milliliters and mix everything well. I'm going to add boiling water, so the main ingredients should be thoroughly mixed.
Все вот так хорошо смешали. Сейчас будем добавлять кипяток, поэтому основные ингредиенты должны быть смешаны.
Add the vegetable oil. I have avocado oil, 3 tablespoons. Stir until the formation of a fairly thick mass.
Так, чтобы у нас комочков не было. Сейчас кипяток добавим, поэтому сначала нужно хорошо.
Now add boiling water, but first you need to mix everything well. In general, this recipe is very easy to remember. Add boiling water and mix thoroughly. Now add boiling water, stirring thoroughly to a homogeneous mass necessary for pouring consistency. The resulting dough is covered with a lid and let it rest for 10 minutes. We put a frying pan. I have it 25 centimeters in diameter. Clean the potatoes and coat them with vegetable oil like this. Be sure to stir the mass and pour it into the pan. Do not fry for a long time. Flip our pancake and briefly fry the other side. Place the finished pancake on a plate with the backside down. Our pancakes turned out perfect, thin and with holes, very tasty for everyone. If you liked the video, please give us a like. Support our channel with a like. Your subscription, comments and likes are a great motivation for us. Share my video with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to the channel on social media yet, subscribe, it's important. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss the new video. I'm not saying goodbye to you friends, I'm just saying I'll see you next time on the channel. We will always have delicious dishes from Caucasian cuisine recipes. Come visit us on the channel.